Hey guys, so I will gonna explore you all to Mars. So, here it is, the Mars Messenger Base. So, the whites are called base. Then the grays that go up, that's the connect pad. And the down is the staircase. And the panels, that's the solar Mars sender panels. That's why it's connected to the connected pad. And they connected the dock of the bases. So that's why we did that to make message the Earth. Then second, the lander. So the lander is where the astronaut can land. It is connected to the messenger to make astronauts can go there. So the capsule is where astronauts see there. Next, that's why we need the rover to charge up because he is there for the satellite connect. So, the head is the connector and the solar charger sends panels. Next. Yup, that's the Mars rover. It can move because of the wheels and go backward. And that's the scanner. To make scan to rocks and life. Let's go back. After that, you will gonna slowly connect. It will gonna move. So then, when it's low bat, you will charge the charger. Okay, next, the satellites. First, Mars Satellite 1. Is it good? Leave in the comments. Second, Mars Satellite 2. It looks like double panel upgrade. Third, the Mars Satellite 3 is thin and it's pretty fine, I guess. Fourth satellite, it upgrade again. Fifth, same as satellite but with new design. Around it was moons. And Mars, we need mission to become life. That's me location. Right beyond the Utopia Plantia. So let's go this part first. I took so many days to build this messenger base here because I got to make my job to do for now on. So if you want this, you just build more rockets for now on. So if I calculate the date, it's Tuesday. That's the end of the video. If you like my video, like and subscribe. So bye!